Hi folks, Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Conversion Vans in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2015 Ram ProMaster 2500 Abilitrax mobility van. Stock number CP17241T. Now this is a high top on a 159-inch wheelbase. It's 3/4 ton. It's only got 57,800 some miles on this. And it's a 2015. It is equipped with a 3.6 Pentastar motor, automatic transmission, fog lamps. It is white in color. We've got 16-inch rims and tires on it. Tires look to be brand new. Privacy glass are out the rear of the window here. It's a window van. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Cloth seats. Now it does have the Uconnect hands-free telephone system here. Cruise control. Small touchscreen radio. Now it is equipped with, like I said, the mobility lift in the rear. It's a bronability lift. We'll get to that here in a second. Here's your rear AC and heat. Just come to the barn doors here. And here's our bronability lift. Lifts come equipped with these lights for the evening or nighttime, what have you. Getting your customer or family member into the chair. Simple usage. We'll have a power switch down here. Now this comes equipped with the Abilitrax floor system. It's sort of like a smart track. These tracks here, you can remove those chairs right there and put them anywhere in here. Also the Q strengths. There's bags of Q strengths here to hold down the wheelchairs. Now those can be put anywhere on that flooring system as well. Push of a button, take it up. Makes your life a whole lot easier. Fold her up, and she goes. And of course, turn your light off. Keep power from draining down the battery. Little ding here in the back door. Other than that, body looks really good on this. A couple scrapes on the plastic here. No body damage. Of course, you've got this large sliding side door here. Nice handle here to get in and out. You can always buy more chairs to fit in here. We've got 2 removable chairs in here right now. There you have it, folks. 2015 Ram ProMaster high top, long wheelbase, Abilitrax mobility van with a bronability lift in the rear. This is at Sherry Conversion Vans in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.